To invite someone to create a ScienceCloud account and join your team, click Invite User. Required fields are indicated with an asterisk. Email addresses for users must be unique within your team. If your user's organization has configured SAML for single sign-on authentication for its members and that user would benefit from that functionality, choose the SAML ID provider the new user will use. If you don't see the SAML ID present, please contact ScienceCloud support. If your company restricts access to ScienceCloud based on IP addresses, choose the IP pattern from the drop-down list. If you don't see the correct pattern present, please contact ScienceCloud support. Applications used by your team will show in the Applications section. Choose the applications necessary for this new user. If selected applications are associated to specific permissions, a new tab will become available to set up these permissions. Team administrator roles can be selected at this point as well. Note that as soon as the user registers, admin features will be immediately available. Team Permission Administrator gives the user projects, users, and groups admin. Team Data Administrator gives the user dictionaries and assay as admin. Team Data Quality Manager gives the user access to the Data Quality Management component collection. The Copy From feature allows you to copy an existing user's profile to this new user. You can choose project permissions, application permissions, or both. Switch to the Project Permissions tab to select projects and the permissions the user will require. Switch to Other Application Permissions tabs, if any, to select specific permissions this user will require for these applications. Once the user's settings are complete, click Save and Send Invite. The user will be sent an invitation such as this one. Invitation links expire after 48 hours. If a user fails to use the invitation prior to expiration, you will need to delete the original invitation and recreate it to send again. The invited user will enter their new account information on a page such as this and submit to receive a token. Note that users must remain on the token page to complete their registration. The token email, such as this one, will be sent to the user, which they will use in the token page. Note that tokens expire after 60 minutes. If a token expires, the browser tab is closed for the token page, or the security token becomes locked due to incorrect typing. The original invitation email link can be used again to restart the process.